Hi, it has come to my attention na karamihan ng mga kabataan natin or even ka-age ko or mas older, akala nila pag dumagdag ka ng weight, kahit anong weight, kahit na sabihin natin unwanted fat weight, ang tinatawag nila bulking or dirty bulking. Pero in reality, mali yun. Kasi magpapataba ka, tapos magpapapayat ka. So wala kang nag-gain na muscle. Nandun lang yung muscle pa rin, hindi siya nag-gain. Na-stress mo lang yung katawan mo, nagsayang ka lang, tapos syempre nawala yung confidence mo nung nagtumaba ka, tapos nung pumayat ka, bumalik confidence mo. Pero yo-yo, parang yo-yo diet lang siya. Ang pinakamaganda, magbo-bulk tayo, magsimula tayo ng lean, payat. Kung overweight tayo, more of cardio tayo, calorie deficit, and then gradually, progressive resistance training overload. Magkakaroon lang ng weights, proper form, 10 reps, then magkakamuscle, and then later on, yung gusto nyo lumaki yung muscle, tatagdagan yung bigat ng weight or ng reps, and then tataasan nyo yung protein tsaka carbs. Ganun lang kasimple yun. It takes time. Pag mabilis ka na gain ng weight, automatic water weight tsaka fat. Tama kayo, mali ako. I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, guys.